Hello there, and thank you so much for deciding to take a look at my video. My name is Brian Kelly and I'm coming to you from Garner, North Carolina. What I want to share with you is something that you've probably never heard of before, but let me tell you, it's very, very powerful. You see, I'm going to personally teach you a specialized skill set that can create a long-term, sustainable income for you and your family for many years to come. Once you learn this technique, you will never have to worry about not having enough money to pay your bills. It's very important that you listen to this entire message because towards the end of it, I offer a free bonus that you can start using right away to make money. Most people listening to this message right now are currently in or have been involved in network marketing, mail order marketing, multi-level marketing, direct sales, or cash gifting in some capacity. Let me tell you right off the bat that what I'm offering here has absolutely positively nothing to do with those types of programs. So if you are mailing out your business opportunity offers, that can get very expensive. I mean, you have to buy a good mailing list. You have to pay for printing several pages of your flyer. You have to pay for the envelope, and you have to pay for postage. So by the time you're done, you paid over 70 cents just to mail one letter. That's crazy. It's very hard for the average person who joins a network marketing company or direct sales business to make money because most people that are looking for an opportunity like this always find a heavy hitter who offers bonuses to join on their team. So when that is done, that totally excludes a beginner because most people want to join a person who has already had success. And if you are just starting out with no sales experience, most people will not join you because you don't have anything to offer them. You might be a nice person, but you don't have experience in selling and recruiting. And because you're new to the game, you don't have credibility and a successful track record. The reality of the matter is that people are looking for successful leaders. And if they don't see you as a leader or you can't offer them any type of bonus or assistance, then they are not going to sign up under you. But what they will do is they'll go to YouTube and find someone who has had success and sign up under them because they feel that person can help them better, and they can, give them bonuses and things of that nature. I don't mean to bust your bubble or crush your dreams, but what I've just stated here is absolute truth. And this is how it really works in the network marketing industry. Don't let anyone tell you that network marketing is easy because it's not. It's a really tough business that requires sales and recruiting experience, as well as lots of money for advertising costs and the products and services that the company offers. So if you are a frustrated network marketer or business owner or internet marketer that has been spinning your wheels and not making any consistent money, then please listen up because I am about to tell you about a specialized skill that will give you the financial freedom you've been looking for. That skill is called E-mini index futures trading. What I'm going to teach you in my course is a way that you can very safely and effectively day trade the E-mini S&P 500 market. In fact, my trading methodology has been consistently profitable for several years and has a winning rate in the area of 87%. Now, please don't get scared off or have any preconceived notions about what I mentioned because in my course, I'm going to take you by the hand and show you the exact steps needed to become a highly successful and skilled index trader. Even if you don't have any trading experience at all, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Personally, when I first discovered and started doing this, I knew absolutely nothing about this whatsoever, but I was able to study it diligently, and now I know how to make lots of money on a daily basis doing this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same thing. My course will take you step by step and show you everything you need to know to become a professional trader. Best of all, I'm going to teach you a very conservative, low risk method that I personally use that is extremely safe, but at the same time, very profitable. I've had people tell me that they can't do day trading because they work full-time jobs, which require them to be at their job for between 9 to 5. And that's understandable. But fortunately, I have come up with the solution to that problem. You see, I created my program in such a way that it works during early morning hours or late evening hours, so that will allow you to trade before you go to work or when you get home from work. So that solves that problem. My trading program is very easy to learn, even if you are a total beginner that has never traded before. Once you learn this trading strategy, you will be able to look at a live trading chart for the S&P 500 and read it like a newspaper. Trust me, by the time you complete my course, you're going to really be good at this. Again, there's no second guessing here. My course is extremely organized, and you'll always know exactly when to enter a trade because the trading signal is always clear cut and very easy to identify. My trading methodology is rule-based and not complicated at all. It allows you to trade safely and earn consistent profits. Best of all, the system only shows you trades that have an extremely high probability of making money. One thing I don't believe is telling people that they're going to make $1 million overnight, because that's simply not true. I want you to learn this and have a great solid foundation. So I teach you a method that is very safe, but at the same time allows you to scale the number of contracts in a systematic way over a short period of time, which will increase your overall profits. There are a lot of courses on the internet that teach you trading methods, and I tried many of them. Some of them are good and some of them are bad, but the common denominator with all of them is that they are very, very expensive and make you rely on so-called trading experts in a trading room that calls all the trades out for you. First of all, let's talk about how expensive some of these courses are. From what I see, most of these courses start at around $1,000 and go all the way up to $15,000, which is totally ridiculous. And then there's an added monthly fee in order to keep your membership current. And some of these companies have special software or indicators that they want you to purchase in order for the system to work properly. And that also is an added expense that's totally unnecessary. But I think the worst thing about some of these companies out there who teach trading is that they want you to join their trading room, and what they do is call out trades, and when they do that, you simply enter the trade. Now, that sounds okay for the short term, but what you don't realize is the moderators of these trading rooms are not actually teaching you how to trade, but rather just giving you entry signals. It's not in their best interest to tell you their secrets. Their goal is to keep you in that trading room so you can continue to pay your monthly membership fee, which is making them a fortune. If they actually told you their trading secrets, you wouldn't need them anymore. And they would ultimately lose your monthly membership fee. What good is taking trade signals if you're not learning anything? How does that help you in the long run? The most empowering thing that you can do for yourself is to learn very specific trading techniques that actually show you how to trade the market for yourself without having to rely on anybody. Well, that's what I do. I teach my students how to trade the E-mini S&P 500 using two very specific proven methods to earn consistent profits day after day. Everything I show you in my course actually works when trading on a live account using real money. There is no fluff in my course, but rather hardcore, real-world professional trading techniques that you can implement right away. Best of all, I break the trading method down to its simplest form so that even a beginner with no trading experience can understand it. I will hold nothing back, and I will tell you all the inside secrets that I've learned through the years. My goal is to teach you how to trade independently where you are not relying on me or anyone for your livelihood. I don't want to be your crutch. I want to teach you how to stand on your own 2 feet without any assistance. Once you get my course, I will not try to upsell you on anything. Everything in my course will be laid out in a step-by-step format, which will make things super easy for you to understand. I do not charge any monthly fees, and I will not try to sell you any software or trading indicators at all. Everything is in the course that you'll need in order for it to work correctly. I'll offer very detailed video instructions on how to get things set up and also include a few brokers that you can use to get started. Once you have my course, you can simply read it and begin to apply everything that you see in it. And if you do that, you can have great success. My course teaches you to take 3 trades per day when you get a valid trade signal. And once you make your 3 trades, you are done for the day until the next day. Using my methodology, I am looking to grab 1.25 points per day from the market. Gaining 1.25 points on one E-mini S&P 500 contract equates to a gross profit of $62.50. The trading strategies that you are going to learn should very easily earn you 1.25 points per day within a 1 to 2 hour time frame. Now, I know $62.50 is not a lot of money, but that is only on one contract. In my course, I show you how to scale, which means increasing the number of contracts that you trade. And when you do that, you will trade for the same amount of time, but because you are trading more contracts, you can make a lot more money. So when you only traded just one contract for 1.25 points, you made $62.50 gross profit. But if you were to trade 10 contracts, you would make a gross income of $625 in the same amount of time. Do you see how beautiful that is? By increasing your contract size, you can make a lot more money and you are trading the same amount of time. Again, I'm not making any income claims or promises, but hypothetically speaking, if you only made 1 point per day or 5 points per week trading 10 E-mini contracts, that would mean you would have earned a gross profit of $500 per day, which comes to $10,000 per month, which comes to $120,000 per year. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a really, really nice income. And how are you making this kind of money? By sitting in front of your computer, taking low-risk trades for 1 to 2 hours per day. That's it. Also, I discovered a company that will allow you to use their money to trade. All you have to do is qualify, and once you do that, the company will provide funds for you to trade and will pay you 80% of all the profits that you earn. This is a great situation because when you decide to use this company, you will never have to use your own money to trade. Once you get my course, I will put you in contact with that company. The course is pretty complete, but I do offer email support as well as phone support. If you have issues, you can definitely contact me and I will do my best to assist you. Remember that I am taking the same trades from the same trading signal as you are, so it's relatively easy to assist you. Most trading course owners and trading rooms do not offer phone support, but I do that because I want to see you succeed. I can tell you that once you get a full grasp of what this is all about, you are going to simply love it, and you'll be doing this for the rest of your life, whether it be part-time or full-time. So now let me go ahead and tell you exactly what you're going to receive once you order my course. Actually, you're going to get 2 different trading systems. This is how trading system number 1 works. When you decide to use this particular trading system, you will be trading the E-mini S&P 500 at a certain time of the day. This particular trading setup is extremely accurate, and although I don't make any guarantees, you should be able to profit between a half a point to 1 point, which means $25 to $50 gross profit per contract. And again, I am very conservative when I say that. Historically speaking, this method normally pulls in 1.5 to 2 points, but I don't want to overhype this thing. During the trade time, the trade time in which you use this methodology, you should be able to get a maximum of 2 trade setups. Next, we have trading system number 2. Again, I highly recommend you use this trading strategy on the E-mini S&P 500, but it also works on the Dow, the NASDAQ, 30-year bonds, gold, crude oil, and the Swiss franc. This is the main trading methodology that will make you the most money, and it's extremely accurate and it has been working for several years. In fact, I highly recommend you go back several years or several months and look at charts that will show you how accurate it really is. These trade setups happen before the market opens, throughout the day, and after market hours. You will receive several high probability trade setups that occur during your trading time. The next thing I have to show you are several E-mini charts that actually occurred in real time. These charts are from Trading Systems 1 and 2. On those charts, you will be trades that actually happen, and I will have them marked up showing you the entry signal and the profit targets. Once you see the arrows pointing to the entry, you will know exactly when to enter and exit the market. I will also have my personal commentary that tells you everything about the trades on the chart. I don't cherry pick the charts either. The charts won't have all wins and no losses, but a variety of wins and losses. I want to make sure that you get a full understanding of how the market works, and showing you the charts will definitely give you a bird's eye view of how it all plays out. You will be given 2 downloadable trading indicators with special settings that must be used in order for the system to work correctly. You will also receive a profit goal chart that gives you realistic expectations on how to manage your trades. By following this chart, you will be able to safely and conservatively increase the number of contracts you trade and will allow you to make more money. Next, I will give you the names of 2 good brokerage firms that will assist you in getting everything set up. And finally, I will give you the contact information to a firm that will give you access to money so that you will never have to use your own. When you decide to use this company, you will make 80% of all the profits that you earn. Now, here's the deal. I have to be totally honest with you. I love to trade the markets, but I also love to spend time with my friends and my family. Therefore, I'm going to limit the number of courses that I sell. I don't want to get so bogged down with customer support that I don't have time for anything else. So for right now, I can only take on 30 students, and as my staff grows to assist me, I will be able to increase the number of students that get my course. And no, I'm not trying to play reverse psychology on you here. I'm dead serious. Yes, I sell this course and I make money from it, but let me tell you, I make a whole lot more money actually trading. So if you are the least bit interested in getting this course, then I strongly advise you to get it while you can, because once I get 30 students, I plan on shutting it down for a while. Now, please listen carefully. Whatever you do, don't procrastinate, because if you do, then you will not be able to participate in this course and you will be put on a waiting list. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention this, but I have an offer for you. This is a bonus offer I was talking about earlier. I'm going to do something special for you, and I've never done before. I'm going to give you an awesome bonus when you purchase this course. The bonus offer is it's a really unique and different trading course called the EATS program. That acronym stands for Extremely Accurate Trading System. This particular trading system shows you a mathematical formula that you can use every day to trade the Japanese yen. Let me tell you guys, this method is very easy to implement and has an extremely high winning percentage. I promise you'll be very impressed with it. I would normally charge $197 for this particular system, but I've decided to give it to you absolutely free with no strings attached. I take this business very seriously and I'm 100% committed to it. So I am looking for people who are able to follow simple instructions and who are not lazy. Also, you must have a positive, upbeat, optimistic attitude and the willingness to do whatever it takes to succeed. You also must be willing to practice on a demo account initially so that you can master the technique before using real money. If you fit that criteria, then I definitely want to talk to you. Now, what I about to say is extremely important, so please listen very carefully. So here's the deal. Once you learn this skill of trading, nobody, and I do mean nobody, will ever be able to take that knowledge away from you. Think about it, because that's very powerful. With the knowledge that you will gain from this course, you will not only be able to make money, but you will also be able to teach your kids and grandkids this trading technique so that they will never be in a situation where they are stressed out about money. Don't you want this for your children, your grandchildren? Also, as stated before, you can be a total beginner that knows nothing about trading and still be successful, because this course is structured in a step-by-step format and will show exactly what to do to become successful. And by the way, I won't try to rip you off and charge you thousands of dollars like all those other trading course owners, but I will make my course truly affordable for just about anybody. But you must hurry, because once I get 30 students, I will more than likely stop selling this course until further notice. So if you would like more information about this program, which includes the price and exactly what you'll be receiving, then please follow the instructions on the screen. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I look forward to hearing from you and working with you. Have a great day, and I wish you much success.